Who is Ash Mufareh? Why did he implement AI in his business? Hi there. In today's article, we will be taking an up-close and in-depth looking into knowing and understanding more about the founder of Onpassive, Ash Mufareh. His name has stirred quite a sensation online, as he has been widely regarded as an influential marketer and a great thought leader. So, without further ado, let's take an in-depth look into understanding more about the founder and leader of such technologically advanced businesses. Who is Ash Mufareh? Ash Mufareh has more than 25 years of experience in the past for being a marketing guru in the technological realm. His business in the past has amounted to massive financial gain, and he can help to lead your business as well. He grew as a figure in prominence after he created his incredibly successful companies Onpassive and GoFounders. Apart from these two businesses, there have been other Ash Mufareh projects as well in the fields of finance, machine learning, entrepreneurship and AI technology. He believes in understanding what the future is and how it can be profitable for entrepreneurs and business owners to invest in now and gain the most in the future. What's the aim of Mr. Ash Mufareh behind the introduction of Onpassive GoFounders? The main aim of Mr. Ash Mufareh was to combine two incredible forces like marketing with advanced technology such as AI to create the most incredible automated platform of all time. Onpassive is the tool of the future, and it was founded in the year 2018. Everybody is aware of the massive relevance of AI, and Ash Mufareh of Onpassive has based the entire company on this technology. The business needs of the future can be anticipated with the help of Onpassive's AI tools. This can help to take investigation and development on another level that is required. Why Mr. Mufareh implemented artificial intelligence in his business? Mr. Mufareh built Onpassive as an AI platform as a part of his businesses for research and development, which can successfully take a business to the next level. There has been a long and lengthy track record of all the businesses that have become successful with the help of Onpassive. Understanding the vision of such a great leader will give you a deeper understanding of just how Onpassive can definitely improve your business and take it to the next level. What are the benefits of artificial intelligence? There are countless benefits of AI technology being implemented in real life, especially to grow one's business. Some of the primary uses of AI in businesses are quick and easy registration of domains, hosting of websites, advertisements, generation of leads, overall traffic of the web, even more sign-ups, easiest recruitment, team building exercises, online products and service sales, customer service and engagement. What are the special features of artificial intelligence technology? AI has amazing features, as it is the pinnacle of technology, and AI technology is just at its infancy and still has a very long way to go in being fully integrated with society. Some of the different tools that can effectively help you to get your business from one platform to the next. Some of the various tools that can help you to get your slow-moving or a standstill business to the next level. There are countless implementations of artificial intelligence, especially as part of fully functional tools such as privatized inbox, virtual private network, marketplace flexible wallets, video conferences. Conclusion. In conclusion, Ash Mufareh is at the top of the marketing and artificial intelligence industry with his businesses. There have been countless people who have changed their life for the better after joining him in his ventures. We hope you do too and achieve all the success that you deserve in this life. Thanks for listening.